Hello there, I am here for a next video because you've been learning the parts of a bed. Now it's time to learn some expressions based on the word bed. You know, bed is a part of furniture people use in a bedroom to sleep. Donc on est bed, c'est un meuble que moun utilise pour coucher. I judge it's necessary to come with some expressions based on the word bed because you've been learning many things about or the different parts of a bed, and these expressions will help you a lot. Cette expression ça va l'utiliser en pile parce que si vous saute apprendre différentes parties qui gagnent dans une cabane, c'est normal pour apprendre expression qui basée sur cabane. All right. So what you have to do, donc on est là déjà, share, like, comment below, and then sit down to be ready for this course. Pour capable prêt pour ça. I'm coming back. I'm venu pour venir présenter. Welcome back because I have some important expressions for you today. Moi, il y a expression qui pral vraiment utile based on this part of furniture which is bed, qui basé sur meuble ça qui c'est bed. All right. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one is to be in bed with. To be in bed with somebody, what it means. Qui ça signifie? L'on dit somebody is in bed with somebody else. And the second is bed of roses. Bed of roses, qui ça expression bed of roses mean? And then after number 2, now it's number 3. You have made your, oh, I forget to write bed. It's bed. Okay. You have made your bed and must lie in it. C'est ça expression number 3. And the last is hit the bed or hit the sack or hit the hay. You can say hit the hay or hit the bed or hit the sack. What all these expressions mean. C'est ça que vous allez apprendre là. Let's go with the first one. On aller avec premier. The first, which is to be in bed with. To be in bed with somebody is to work with somebody, organize or involve with them so that can cause other people not to trust you. Ça veut dire que c'est travailler avec un monde et ou en relation avec mon nan jusqu'à ce que l'autre monde doute de vous, soit peut-être dans corruption avec elle ou bien ou pas correct ou un bagage ou fait qui pas correct, so other people can judge you or not to trust you ou peut-être pas quoi. For example, the journalist reporter is in bed with this government. The journalist reporter is in bed with this government. On dit journaliste ça, reporter ça, mais il y a connivence. L'expression to be in bed with means over connivence. You have a secret thing. You have something in secret with somebody else. Eh bien, you wanna journaliste ça, il y a connivence avec le gouvernement. Ça veut dire gens là bas reportage yo. Moun yo ouais c'est le gouvernement la travail. Ça c'est un exemple. Là on dit on moun en connivence avec l'autre monde which is not professional. On bagage qui peut-être qui pas professionnel. D'accord? Good. You use to be in bed with. To be in bed with. Oh, you were in bed with that boy, man. You're in bed with that boy. Like people working in police, on moun ap travay dans police et puis li in bed with a gang. Li in bed with a gang. Ça veut dire un gang. Li en connivence avec. Okay? It's not professional. After the first, we got bed of roses. Bed of roses. Bed of roses is an activity that is easy, comfortable, or luxurious. Okay, but it's not only bed of roses. You can say no bed of roses. Capable dire no bed of roses for negative form. No bed of roses like I use in this example. You can say no bed of roses or not a bed of roses. Okay, teaching is not a bed of roses. It's not something that is easy. It's not something comfortable. It's not something luxurious. Ok, c'est pas un bagay qui facile. C'est pas un bagay comme si mon a prend plaisir. Donc, là on dit bed of roses, eh bien, son espace ou bien son activité de qui est content. Son activité sans redit. Son activité facile. Son activité où tout le monde se sent confortable. Ok? For example, eating your favorite food is a bed of roses. You can say that. Eating your favorite food is a bed of roses. Manger qui ou remet son bail ou sens ou très confortable, son bail qui facile. Okay? Being rich is not a bed of roses. Okay? It's not a bed of roses. It's no bed of roses. Being rich, c'est pas un bail qui facile. C'est pas un bail qui luxurious. C'est pas un bail qui facile. Okay? It's not something easy, okay? But eating something you like or doing something you know, but is bed of roses, something comfortable, you're comfortable and luxurious, etc. For example, being teacher is not, I can say it's not a bed of roses, or I can say it's no bed of roses. Okay, being teacher is no bed of roses, but it's steady work. Okay, being teacher is no bed of roses, but it's steady work. Good? Moi dit, vin professeur, c'est pas bagay qui facile. Et ben c'est travail dit. Okay? Donc, I use no bed of roses, or you can say bed of roses for affirmative sentence, and you say no bed of roses for negative sentence. Or if you don't want to say for negative sentence no bed of roses, you can simply say not a bed of roses. Okay, good. I think you understand both being better with and bed of roses. Now it's time to go to the third one, which is you have made your bed and must lie in it. And must lie in it. This expression is really interesting. Vraiment intéressant. What it means? Qui ça livre dit? It means you must accept your consequences, even it's unpleasant. You must accept the sequences of your action or your actions, even it's unpleasant. Ou supposé accepter conséquences action yo. Zak tout zak ou fait, ou supposé jouer une conséquence pour vous. C'est ça le karma. Eh bien, expression ça, il parle de karma. C'est ça fait le ouais. Vous comprenez? Donc, expression ça, c'est même genre dire bon, vous devez faire un effort, mais accepter les conséquences, accepter subir les conséquences, ne pas alors, vous ne pas écouter, mais bien qu'on y a retenir les conséquences. Eh bien, you have made your bed, c'est même genre de capable de dire, ou faire cabanon, eh bien, accepter pour coucher, pour longer sous lui. C'est ça, expression, ça l'idée. You have made your bed and must lie in it. And must lie in it. But it's not only this, you can say also, you have made your bed, you have to lie in it. If you don't want to say must, you can replace must by have to. Okay? Have to. For example, I warn you not to listen to him. I warn you not to listen to him. You've made your bed, so now you have to lie in it. Okay? Moi te dit, moi te averti pour go tande m'se, Donc, le fait que vous faites affaire, eh bien, retenir conséquences ou faut subir conséquences si vous avez volé quoi beau. Vous comprenez? Donc, si vous obéissez, acceptez conséquences. This is what this expression means. You can say, you have made your bed, you have to lie in it, or you have made your bed, you must lie in it. Good. Okay? Vous faites affaire, retenir conséquences. And the last is hit the bed, or hit the sack, or hit the hay. You can say hit the hay. Hay is like that. Hay. H. Hit the hay. You know, I can say hit the bed, or hit the sack, or hit the hay. The three are the same. If I don't want to say hit the bed, I can say hit the sack, I can say hit the hay. Tous les trois, c'est même bagay que vous voulez dire. If somebody says hit the bed, it's okay. If somebody says, if you prefer saying hit the sack, the same thing. And somebody else prefers saying hit the hay, the same thing. What hit the bed mean? Hit the bed is to go to sleep, to go to the bed. If you're tired after many hours working, now you feel tired, or I can say exhausted. Now you say, oh, I can't stay anymore. Let me go to hit the bed. Okay, let me hit the bed, or let me go to the bed. When you say hit the bed, or hit the hay, or hit the sack, ça signifie aller coucher. Ça signifie to go to bed. To go to bed. Hit the bed signifie go to bed. aller coucher. But, eh bien, if you didn't know if it is an expression, so pas de connaître si c'est une expression qui est liée. Là, on dit hit the bed, hit signifie frapper. No, it's not frapper cabane. No, it's not that. C'est pas ça. C'est pas hit the bed signifie frapper cabane. No. Hit the bed means go to sleep. Oh, I can't talk anymore. I feel how I feel. I'm tired, man. I can't study anymore. It's late. Let me hit the bed. Let me hit the bed. Let me go to sleep. Hit the bed signifie aller dans cabane ou aller coucher. You have made your bed and must lie in it. Ça veut dire ou faire effort et on doit subir conséquences. And you learn bed of roses. Bed of roses sont bagay qui confortable. Là on parle de une activité like for the first time you're going on a holiday ou aller dans un congé. Par exemple, moun qui peut aller dans un congé, la dépenser l'argent, dit oh wow, this moment was bed of roses. Moment ça c'était moment de confort, moment de luxe. Vous comprenez ça me dit là, moment de qu'être content, lui dire mais qualifier moment ça de bed of roses. OK? Mais s'il dit oh my god man, travel over there, it's not a bed of roses man. C'est pas un bagage qui était facile, pas qui était douce non. It's not a bed of roses. You know, when you see roses, c'est comme si ouais un champ de roses, fleurs roses. Belle bagaille. Mais expression ça veut dire son bagaille qui bon. Mais elle mettez no ou bien not devant il veut dire le contraire. Good. And then you learn to be in bed with, to have a relationship with someone in secret. Okay, in secret. So somebody else can judge you or not to trust in you. OK? L'autre monde qui doit pas croire ou qui doit pas faire confiance à cause de ça. Be in bed with. Good. I think you learn a lot. But c'est quoi apprendre? So keep on supporting our work. Continuez à supporter le travail. Allez sur Facebook là. Allez like page moi qui c'est Teacher Daniel Anavis. Follow lui pour toujours jouer une notification. And go to YouTube to subscribe to my channel, my personal channel, channel personnel moi pour capable subscribe à channel moi qui c'est English Anavis. English Anavis parce que nous allons virer sur English Anavis seulement. J'aime dire nous English Anavis seulement. Donc allez à subscribe soit apprécier le travail que nous faisons. OK, good. I love you so much. Allez dans la description pour joindre ça nous quitter pour on business moi yo pas oublier non à la description on a un link WhatsApp là entrez là-dedans poser une question pour venir faire une communauté ensemble to invest pour investir en ligne. Love you so much. Catch you for next video.